There we go. Y'all know when it comes to Nike Dunks, I'm a SB lover. Some dunks come out that I must have, like the Jackie Robb joints, man. And it is Black History Month. Also, the Clout What the Dunks. These are just some dunks that I have. I showed y'all the Brazils and a couple of other joints that I must have in the collection. But these Dusty Olives right here, they go, man. Fire. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Some of y'all been rocking with me since I showed y'all a review of the veneer joints. Those was alright. I felt like a little too much purple, but those were alright. But these Dusty Olive joints, man, I've been waiting on it. So luckily they restocked last week on the Sneakers app, and my hands were fast, and I copped ASAP, man. Like, it's just a special colorway. You really don't see like an olive mixed with a yellow, mixed with a brown. Gives me Cactus Jack Travis Scott vibes. Nonetheless, man, I really like this shoe. So if you're new to dunks, or if you're new to, what can I say, sneakers? I know some of y'all not new to sneakers. But if you're new to dunks, way back it was a pack called the Ugly Duckling Pack. And it had a mix of this sneaker, the veneers, and two more colorways. But this one had to be the most special one because this is the one that keeps restocking. You know we don't do too much long talking over here at Sneaker Notes. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So like I said in the beginning of the video, it's a regular dunk, not an SB. So you get that light red, dark orange Nike box, still classic. And it reads Nike Dunk Low SE Dusty Olive Pro Gold. When you flip open the lid, just white tissue paper, quality control stamp, and we're going to start with the right shoe. Yes, sir. These things are pretty, man. Not very easily to match, but pretty sneaker, guys. So let's start with the swoosh. I love the swoosh. Nubuck suede. I always love when the swoosh is Nubuck suede, unless you go SB when they be giving us jewel swooshes and all kind of swooshes. But on a regular dunk, I love a Nubuck suede. Looks like honey mustard. Dope look there, man. The toe box, also Nubuck suede. Giving you that dusty Nubuck look. I don't even know what you would call this color. Something with the swamp, army green. Just dope. But look at it, guys. It's just like you're rubbing your pet, man. Dope look. Around that, you get that light green. I guess the olive look is there. But also olives are this color. So I guess it's a both ways, man. But perfect match, perfect name to the sneaker. That's also in that Nubuck suede. The hair is a little more braised than the toe box. But back to the swoosh. Inside the swoosh, you got the olive sandwich, and then light green, dark brown. But that honey mustard just brings it out, guys. Come to the back. My favorite logo in the world. The regular Nike logo on top is in that olive green. That yellow's on the bottom. But everything's Nubuck suede until you get to the bottom where you get your OG white sandwiching look that you get on almost every dunk and SB. And then the yellow's at the bottom, giving it that gum look. Speaking of the bottom, all yellow, honey mustard look, goldenrod. I like that at the bottom. The shoelace is also all yellow, guys. In front of a brown mesh dunk tongue. I was about to say donkey swoosh. I don't even know. Dunk tongue, Nike logo with the olive tag at the top of the tongue. dope look, guys. The inside also got that olive green with the yellow Nike check with the swoosh. Overall, clean, nice shoe. This is the left, that was the right, guys. Just look at the quality control of the shoe, man. Not a glue stain, not a hair missing, not a threading issue. Overall, man, this sneaker has it all, man. Yes, sir. So when the restock happened, I was like so happy, man, because this was a sneaker on my radar, but it just wasn't on top of my radar. I spent all last week trying to secure Jordan Bread 4s. That video's coming next, man. I'm still upset about that, but I like these, man. They staying in the collection, very dope. Like I said, they restocked on the sneakers app. I want to say $100. I think with taxes and shipping, it was like $125. Came 2 days. I don't know if some of y'all remember when Nike shipping used to be 2 days, but it came in 2 days. So it's apparent they had some of these sneakers sitting, or they had a lot of refunds. A lot of people gave the sneaker back. So Nike had a lot of these in the cut. I think a lot of Jordan 4 breads in the cut too, guys. So hold your horses on that too. My man, dope sneaker. Like I said, $125. Golden StockX has it for the same price, almost, probably cheaper. But this is one of those sneakers that people sleeping on now. But just like the ugly duckling pack, 5, 7, 10 years down the lane, they're gonna want this sneaker in hand, and by that time it'll probably be a $250, $300 sneaker. I look back at the veneers, and right now the veneers are going anywhere between $250 and $300. So that's something to look out for, man. If you're just trying to get into the dunk world, this is one of those, man. This is one of those. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, man. Everybody get rich.